If you're promoting your products on social media but still not making sales, this video is for you. Make sure to watch till the end because I'm going to show you how to effectively post on social media to increase traffic and sales. Welcome back, everyone. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. My name is Nancy Badillo, founder of the Etsy Mastery course, and I'm thrilled to have you join my community of Etsy sellers. It's frustrating when you put in so much effort in promoting your products, yet the sales just don't seem to come in. And maybe you have tried posting product photos, offering discounts and promotions, highlighting features and benefits, and even doing free giveaways, but nothing seems to work. If this sounds like you, then don't worry, you are not alone. Many business owners and marketers struggle with getting sales, especially when they are just starting out. The good news is that there are effective strategies and techniques that you could use to increase your sales and grow your small business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to overcome the common pitfalls of marketing and sales and how to effectively communicate the value of your product to your target audience to help you increase your sales when using social media. If you're looking to increase your sales, this is exactly what you have to do in order to do so. Step one is ensure that your ideal customer recognizes their need or desire for your product. Once that's established, the next step is demonstrating how your product can effectively address their problem. However, overlooking these two steps can result in several issues, such as you attract customers looking for a bargain, you end up wasting time on methods that give you zero results, and your brand perception may be negatively impacted, making it harder to sell higher priced products in the future. Rather than exclusively emphasizing the what, you could demonstrate the why by answering these questions about your products. What specific problem or need does your product solve for your target audience? How does your product address the pain points and challenges your target audience faces? What benefits and advantages does your product offer over alternative solutions? How does your product add value to the lives or businesses of your target audience? So let me provide you an example of what you shouldn't and should do when posting on social media in order to effectively post, increase traffic, and get sales. So here's an example of a post that won't convert as well. Check out our new hand lotion. It's the best on the market and will leave your hands feeling soft and smooth. Get yours now. Now, this post is lacking in several ways. It doesn't acknowledge the pain points and challenges that the target audience may be facing, such as dry, cracked hands due to frequent hand washing. It also doesn't provide any information about the ingredients or the benefits of the lotion. Overall, it's a generic and uninspired post that doesn't offer much value to the reader. So here's an example of an effective post that would drive leads and sales. Attention all busy bees. Do you often find yourself struggling with dry, cracked hands due to constant hand washing and exposure to harsh weather conditions? We know how frustrating and uncomfortable it can be, which is why we have got the solution to your problem. Our all-natural hand lotion is specifically formulated to provide deep hydration and nourishment to your hands, leaving them feeling soft and smooth and healthy. Say goodbye to rough, painful hands and hello to a luxurious and soothing hand care experience. Our lotion is made with organic ingredients that are gentle on your skin and safe for all skin types. Plus, it's free from harmful chemicals and synthetic fragrances, so you could feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Don't let dry hands be a constant pain in your day. Click the link in bio to treat yourself to the best hand lotion on the market and experience the difference for yourself. In conclusion, writing an effective social media post that resonates with your target audience is crucial for increasing engagement and driving sales to your small business. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway.